Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot print quality issues on a Canon Pixma MG3650. Now this can be done directly from the printer using nothing but the buttons found on the front of the control panel here. Now this video will be broken down into 3 sections, which are cleaning, deep cleaning, and printing a nozzle check test page. I'll try and keep it short, but if you want to skip around, there are time codes down below so you can get to the section you're interested in. Now all 3 of these processes are pretty simple and all involve holding down this button here for a certain amount of time. So starting with the clean, what we do is we hold it down and you're looking at this alert lamp up here. Now we're going to be counting the amount of flashes this does to know what we're going to perform. So for a clean, we hold it down until it flashes twice. Once, twice, release. And this sets the printer off doing its cleaning process, as you can hear. Now this process will take the printer a couple minutes, making the noises you can hear now, and throughout the power lamp up here will be flashing. And we'll know when the clean is finished, because this light will then become solid. So if we go, wait just a minute, and with the power lamp lit solidly like that, we know that the clean is complete. If you wanted to do deep cleaning from the printer, it's exactly the same process, but we hold that button down for 3 flashes of the alert lamp instead of 2. Deep cleaning uses more ink, but is better at dislodging any dried or congealed ink that you found in the printhead. And the final thing I'd like to talk to you about is the nozzle check pattern. Now the nozzle check pattern breaks down the 4 colours your printer uses: black, cyan, magenta and yellow, and is a great way of diagnosing what the print quality issue is within your printer so you know which cartridge to change. Now printing this off is just as simple, but we hold that down for a single flash of that light, and then after 30 seconds or so, the printer will spit out a page. Sadly, this machine's lost its ability to feed paper, so I can't show you on this one, but it's honestly ever so simple, and as you can see by the example on screen, the sheet itself is pretty easy to read too. This troubleshooting should be pretty good for both helping to diagnose what colour's missing from your printer, what colour is producing stripes from your prints, and if the cleans are successful, resolving those. But that's all there is to see here. I hope you found what you were looking for and that it's been useful for you. If it has, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know with a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.